Okay, for this video I'm going to show you how to remove adware from your computer. Now when you visit various websites, sometimes they download little programs onto your computer that you don't know about, and they cause pop-ups to appear on your computer saying that various things. Warning, you have a dangerous virus on your computer. You have to download our product in order to remove it. Well, that's nonsense. Their product is what is the dangerous software. So to check and see what kind of adware you have on your computer, we'll go to a website here called lavasoft.com. That's LAVASOFT.com. Okay, and it's a free product. They have a free version of their product. Come down here to Adware, click on that, and we're going to take the Adware free version. So click on free and the download button. It doesn't take very long to download. It's a fairly small program. And this right here is where you can get Adware Plus. Well, you're going to be buying that. So we're going to stick with the free version and go ahead and click the download button again. I'm going to click cnetdownload.com. This is a very reputable place to download software. So whenever you're downloading software, except for their little pop-up there, whenever you're downloading software, be very wary of where you download from. This is a place you can trust. So go ahead and click download now, and that's 73 megabytes. So if you have a dial-up internet connection, it's going to take a while. Now notice this bar that popped up here, especially for Windows XP users. You have to click on that in order to download the file. This is Windows' way of keeping malicious software from being downloaded onto your computer. So just click on that and hit download file, and it's going to start the download process. I'm going to go ahead and hit run because I'm not worried about saving the program to my computer. And I have a broadband internet, so it downloads pretty quick. It'll take just a minute or so. Okay, and once it's done downloading, I'll go ahead and click on run, and this starts the installation process. Notice you can read back here on the back, thank you for downloading Adware free anti-malware. Malware is another pop-up program, a virus. It's a type of virus that infects your computer from visiting other websites. Just click on OK for English, and actually we can go ahead and close this window out behind us and just worry about the install program. Hit next, accept their agreement. We'll assume we read it. Hit next, and free Google Chrome. I don't want Google Chrome, so I'm going to click on install adware only. If you want Google Chrome or you want to learn more about it, you can look up Google's website, go to google.com and do a search on Google Chrome, and they'll tell you more about it there. But I just want Adware, and hit install. Okay, it's all on the computer now, and you need to restart your computer in order to make it do its first scan. And if you want, you can enter your email address right here in order to have updates, but I'd just soon not because I don't need any more junk email than I've already got. So I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer, and we'll pick up with the recording as soon as I get restarted. Okay, now my computer has restarted, and before it shut down, Adware downloaded the latest updates to their database. They have to stay on top of all the different ad programs that are out there, so they'll update it on a regular basis, and I would recommend before you use it each time to go ahead and update the program just to make sure you've got the latest updates. But as soon as the computer restarted, this is the screen that popped up on here. And I don't want to buy a license. I'm not buying the paid version of it. I just want to use the free version. So I'm just going to close this screen out, and it says welcome, and right here's where you check for updates. It says the status is okay because it's a brand new install, so I don't have to update the program itself. So I want to scan the computer. All I got to do is click this button and it starts scanning for any ads that may be on here. Now this may take 10-15 minutes depending on how many files you have on your computer, but you can watch the progress here of how many objects or files it's scanned, and right here it's going to show you how many objects it has found, and objects in this case would be adware. So any of those that it finds, we want those deleted. Now when it installed, it also put an icon on the desktop right here, so I would say once a month or once every couple weeks, go ahead and run this. Just double click on this desktop icon and it will scan your computer for you. You can see right here that it's doing a full system scan, meaning it's scanning the whole computer, and this is the time that has elapsed so far. It's 4 minutes and 3 seconds, and it's scanned over 13,000 files. So it won't take long, but go get yourself a cup of coffee or something and come back and check on it after a while. Okay, that scan's all done, and I'm not going to join their Threatwork Alliance, but it took a little longer than I thought. Took, I'd say, about an hour and a half to complete the scan, and it found 131 objects, which are adware things that need to be removed. Some of them are just cookies, which really aren't that critical. Cookie is where you visit a website, and the next time you go back to it, you'll notice some of the links you've clicked on are different colors. It knows that by placing cookies on your computer. So you can delete those or leave them there. They're not that much of a threat. But what you do at this point is just pretty much click done. It takes care of the action is recommended, so, and it shows the result here was successful, so it took care of all these objects. You click done, and the next time you want to come in, you can do a smart scan, which will be a lot quicker than a full scan. The smart scan just scans the primary folders that adware is stored in on your computer, and so after a full system scan, just do a smart scan about once a month or once every couple weeks or so, and that'll help speed your computer up. And that ends this video. Thank you.